Swagbucks and KashKick can both earn you real rewards, but they make money in different ways, and that difference has a bigger impact on consistent earnings than the reward amounts shown on individual offers. By the end, you'll know which platform is more reliable for steady earnings, and which one makes more sense for your own routine. The first difference is the variety of tasks. Swagbucks offers multiple earning methods, including surveys, shopping rewards, cashback offers, game promotions, receipt uploads, search features, and promotional offers. Because there are several ways to earn, you can usually move to another activity if one category has fewer opportunities. KashKick focuses on a smaller selection of earning methods. Most users complete paid surveys, game offers, and partner promotions. The interface is simpler, but you'll generally have fewer types of tasks available compared with Swagbucks. Now let's talk about consistency. Swagbucks usually feels more consistent because you're not depending on one type of offer. If survey availability slows down, you may still find shopping offers, cashback opportunities, or game promotions. That variety helps reduce downtime between earning opportunities. KashKick can still be rewarding, especially when high-value game or survey offers are available. The challenge is that your available offers depend heavily on your account, location, and advertiser demand. Some days you'll have several worthwhile opportunities, while other days the selection may be much smaller. Another difference is flexibility. Swagbucks lets users mix different earning methods throughout the day, instead of relying on a single activity. If you enjoy switching between surveys, shopping, and promotional offers, the platform provides more ways to stay active. KashKick works well for people who prefer a cleaner dashboard and don't mind focusing on whichever offers are currently available. Instead of browsing many categories, you simply choose from the active promotions on your account. Remember that neither platform guarantees identical offers for every user. Your country, device, demographics, and previous activity all affect which surveys and promotions you can access. Two users comparing the same platform may see very different earning opportunities. So which one pays more consistently? For most users, Swagbucks has the advantage because its broader selection of earning methods makes it easier to keep earning even when one category slows down. KashKick can still produce strong results, but consistency depends more heavily on the offers currently available to your account. The smartest strategy is to keep accounts on both platforms and compare available offers before spending your time. Completing the better opportunity each day is usually more effective than staying loyal to a single rewards site. To summarize, Swagbucks offers more earning variety, KashKick provides a simpler experience, and Swagbucks is generally the more consistent option over time. If this comparison helped you choose, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app comparisons, reviews, and earning guides.